My book is finally available, How to Embroider Texture and Pattern, with some of these really awesome patterns in the back right here.
When creating the patterns for the book, I pulled inspiration from the travels my family and I have taken across the globe, as well as from my bucket list. You'll see deserts from California and Arizona, the Rocky Mountains in Montana and Washington, tropical waterfalls from Kauai, and much more. To properly capture the feeling of those places, ordinary stitching would not do. There is so much life in a waterfall or rock formation, so playing with thread and stitches makes them feel much more real. But what truly makes these pieces stand apart are the fabrics I use as backgrounds. Wavy lines simulate hot air, while dots on a dark fabric represent a night sky. Each scene can display a completely different mood depending upon what fabric you choose. A bold print can just be another element to make your piece shine. I'll show you how to achieve a special piece you'll want to keep on display or gift to someone you love.